In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a presentation in PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and make sure all your slides are in the correct order, with your text, images, and animations ready to go. It's a good idea to run through the slideshow once without recording, just to get comfortable with the flow and timing. When you're ready to record, go to the top menu and look for the Slideshow tab. Click on it and you should see an option that says Record Slideshow. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you may also see a dedicated Record tab. If you do, you can use that as well. Choose the option to start recording from the beginning if you want to narrate the entire presentation from the first slide. As soon as you start recording, PowerPoint will switch to a full-screen recording view. You'll usually see controls at the top or bottom of the screen showing that it's recording, along with buttons to pause, stop, or move between slides. Take a moment to notice these controls so you know where to click if you need a break. Begin speaking clearly and naturally, just as if you were presenting to a live audience. As you talk, advance through your slides using the arrow keys or the on-screen navigation buttons. PowerPoint will automatically capture your slide timings along with your narration. So, when someone watches the recorded presentation later, the slides will change at the exact moments you advance them. If you make a mistake, you don't have to start over from the beginning. You can stop the recording, go back to the specific slide where the mistake happened, and re-record from there. Use the Record Slideshow option again, but this time, start from the current slide. PowerPoint will replace the narration and timing for that slide and any that follow. When you finish your narration, press Stop in the recording controls. PowerPoint will return you to the normal editing view, and you'll notice a small audio icon on each slide that has narration. You can click play on these icons to review your audio and make sure everything sounds the way you want. Finally, save your presentation. Then go to File and look for the Export or Save As option if you want to create a video file. Choose to export as a video, keep the recorded timings and narrations, and save. Your recorded PowerPoint presentation is now ready to share.